thanks for coming back. I wanted to do a video about Slowroll. I wanted to explain it more. I did a video last week about going to Slowroll, but the comments I see is, what is Slowroll? I'd like to explain that. Tumbleweed updates too often. Leap is too outdated. So what if there was, just the right option in between? That's really what openSUSE Slowroll is. It's not really a new distro. It's a Linux distro aiming to be the perfect balance of cutting edge and stability. Slowroll is new. It's not really experimental because the packages are used in Tumbleweed, but it's a project by the openSUSE community. It's a rolling release, just like Tumbleweed, because it is Tumbleweed, but with one key difference: it rolls a lot slower. Not a lot slower, but it rolls slowly. It's a once a month update instead of an almost daily update with Tumbleweed. Think of it as Tumbleweed with brakes on. Instead of daily updates that might break your system, Slowroll gives you monthly stabilized snapshots. You still get the new features, just at a safer pace. So if something breaks on Tumbleweed, it could be fixed, I don't know, within a week or so. Slowroll takes that and tries to cut out all the breakages, but at a 30-day update cycle. It's true that if you get a breakage on that 30-day cycle, it's going to be 30 days until it's fixed. Possibly. It could come before that, depending on the package maintainers. Here's how it works. Slowroll is based on Tumbleweed. Each month, the maintainers take a Tumbleweed snapshot, test it, stabilize it, and then release it as the Slowroll monthly update, usually on or around the 9th of each month. You can manage your packages with either, it's going to be zipper, just like you do on Tumbleweed. You just do zipper, sudo zipper dup, not up, but dup, to update just like normal on Tumbleweed. That part is not going to be changed. My last video did a coverage of how you can get to Slowroll. There's really two ways. There's the Agama way, and you just install that. That is beta, but you can install Slowroll with Agama, or you can take a existing Tumbleweed and change the repo. My last video covered that, and I will actually paste the commands below in the comments area. Super simple. You're just changing the repo, then you're doing a sudo zipper dup, changing those packages to the ones that equal to the Slowroll repo. You can back up your system first. At least save your important files. I do that with NextCloud, so I don't have an issue with needing to back up my files. Everything's where they should be in the documents folder. NextCloud takes care of the business. Maybe one of these days I'll do a quick coverage of NextCloud. I have read on Reddit a lot of people had issues installing Slowroll via Agama. I've done it 4 or 5 times. I did not have an issue. If you wanted to, you can actually go from Leap to Tumbleweed. I've never done that, but I've seen the instructions to do that. It's actually on the openSUSE website for Slowroll. Maybe one of these days I'll throw a Leap VM out there and do the Tumbleweed upgrade. for your daily use and performance. Slowroll is openSUSE, so it feels like openSUSE. It feels like Tumbleweed. You get the same powerful tools, YAST and systemd integration. The only real difference, you're not going to be bombarded with the updates every day like Tumbleweed. That's my biggest issue. So another thing that for pros and cons, Tumbleweed uses lots of data. One month I think I caught like 6 gigs of data just for Tumbleweed updates. So if you have limited bandwidth, from what I understand, a lot of areas still have limited bandwidth, or bandwidth caps, not limited bandwidth, but bandwidth caps, data caps. You probably want to go to Slowroll. The updates are less frequent, so which means you're going to be downloading less data. There was one guy on Reddit that said he just couldn't do the updates on Tumbleweed because I think he was based in Sweden, so he was trying the slow rollout. I might have the country wrong, but yeah, I agree with that. If you're data capped, try Slowroll over Tumbleweed, and that'll help you out, so you can do other things like gaming and whatnot. Let me know in the comments below if you do gaming on Tumbleweed. I personally don't do a lot of gaming. Team Fortress once in a while, just because I like Team Fortress. So a little more in-depth on the way that we update on Slowroll and Tumbleweed. Tumbleweed does every update, so version A, version B, version C, version D. On Slowroll, what you'll get is A on a monthly release. It's going to skip B, C, D, and you're going to get E. If E was the last one and it introduced a bug, you'll have that bug on the E release until the next release shows up on Slowroll. I hope that makes sense. Tumbleweed, you get every bug fix, introduces new bug fixes, and removes old ones. Hopefully on Slowroll it's meant to capture all the fixes on the latest release. But if there's a bug on that latest release, then you'll get that bug. I hope that's a simpler explanation. That's it. Just a quick video on Slowroll today. If you like my lighthearted commentary, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week with another video on Linux or DaVinci Resolve or something. I have a couple videos in mind, and please like and subscribe so you'll get notified when those come out. Thank you. Have a good day.